I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You should know up front, I can't help you create or run a web macro bot for Roblox on Xbox, because that would enable unauthorized automation and likely breach platform rules. Once understood, make sure to avoid tools that try to mimic human input or inject network traffic. Those are the exact behaviors that trigger enforcement. Instead, focus on legitimate learning paths and accessibility features that keep your account safe and your play fair. If your goal is automation knowledge or convenience, consider safe, permitted routes. You can learn how games are built by studying Lua and using Roblox Studio on PC. That teaches the same logic without breaking rules. For controller shortcuts, use hardware-provided macro features or Xbox accessibility toggles that are intended for users with specific needs. Once done, engage with official forums and developer channels to apply skills. To wrap up, prioritize account safety and follow platform rules so you don't lose access. Enable two-factor authentication, use official support channels for problems, and document any strange behavior before you contact help. If something goes wrong, don't try to skirt restrictions. Appeals and support tickets are the correct remedy. Remember, learning the craft through sanctioned tools gives you long-term skills without the immediate risk of suspension or legal trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.